Hello student, see the video. In this video I have started notepad. After starting the notepad, increase the size of the font using the format menu. You can increase the size of the font what you are written into the notepad or what you are writing into the notepad. Firstly I have typed HTML here, and you can see the syntax, or you can see the first tag HTML is there, that will be useful for writing the HTML program. I have started HTML with the HTML tag, and I have closed the HTML tag with the backslash, forward slash is there. So whenever I want to close the tag HTML, then slash will be input in front of the HTML, and whenever writing the HTML code, the next code will be input the different data into the HTML. Whenever I want to input the area document into the HTML, then body tag will be useful. So I have written the starting body tag and closed body tag is there. If I want to create my website, I should have to write inside the body tag. The total document will be input inside the body tag, so that you can see, you can look at the board, look at the screen that is showing the body tag starting and body tag ending. I have to write my whole HTML document inside the body tag, because the total web page will be seen from the body tag only. After writing some word, I have written hello world, and now I am saving my HTML file. You can see in the D drive I have the folder, and in that folder HTML program is there. I am writing my file name hello.html. Right now save button is there. Just only keep in mind that .html is very important. After writing .html after the file name, my file name is hello, 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 and .html will help you to create HTML file. My file has been created, and this is my code. You can see, after writing hello, I am writing some other world. Hello world is there. I have written hello world text inside my web page. So after changing, go to the file and save. You just seen in this video. Now I will open my file from D drive, from GDP folder. My folder is there, inside the HTML program is there. My file will change its logo into Google Chrome. Whenever double click over the file, my web page will open in front of my eyes. So you can also see the file name hello world, and file name is hello. At the title bar you can see hello name of the file, and hello world is my text written inside my file. So hello world is there written only inside my file. So if I want to change the document inside the web page, I can change very easily by writing it differently. Just I am changing the text by writing some different word. You can see very clearly over the web page, or HTML document is there. At the same time I am changing my document from the notepad. You can watch very easily. After changing any word, just save from the file menu. Just save the document, and after going to my original web page, just refresh the page. It will change the document written inside the web page. Just after double clicking the web page, I can see the word India is written here. just I have written at the next line in my HTML document. You can see the changes after refreshing there. You can see the arrow refreshing. Just whatever text written in the next line, if I want to change the text into the next line, then just put br tag is there. It will just save the document. After inserting br tag there, India word India will appear at the next line, and hello world will appear at the first line. BR tag will be useful to break the line. After writing hello world, we have to write BR tag. It after refreshing, we can see India, the word India has written at the next line automatically after refreshing the web page. You can look at the screen. I am writing some another word there. After taking br tag after the word India, hi, after changing my HTML document and go to the web page, then I am getting refresh by pressing the button refresh. You can see hi word hi at the third number of line. You can see the procedure of how to open a notepad from my first video of HTML. Then I took B means bold tag is there, so that will be the most important for appear the text in the bold format. So B tag is there for appearing the bold text. Bold text, I have written one text there, bold text, BOLDTEXT. Just the text will appear in the bold format. I can change the text inside the B tag. You can write any of the text. I tag will be useful for italic text. Just I am writing proper meaning of the word. U tag will be useful for getting underline under the word written inside the tag. U tag, I have already taught you about the different tag. Just today's session is for shopping, just only for showing you the practical of relative topic. So from that you can understand very easily. Italic text will be useful for appearing the word in the italic format. Underline U tag will be useful for underlining. After doing changes in my HTML document, you are looking inside the hello file in the notepad. Just I am saving changes. After refreshing the web page, I can see the italic text underline over the under the underline word. Just if I am writing the br tag after the end of the three different tags, I can see the changes. After br tag, that will be useful to insert the text. After br tag, it will appear at the next line BIU. Three different tags are there. All text style are there. That will be useful for bold, italic and underline. The three different tag will be useful as the different uses of that, and that will be close with the tag by just appear the slash is there for closing the required tags. Just I have closed italic tag by inserting the slash there. you have already learned about HTML body, and inside the body tag just enter the matter whatever you want to publish over the web page. Right now you can look at the HTML document and different tags I have brought to you: bold, italic and underline tag. Just close the tag by using slash before the name of the tag. You can close the tag very easily. After changing, save the file and refresh the HTML document. It will uses to appear the text with the changes you have done in your HTML document. Just keep in mind that changes will be possible just only for your purpose, and if you want to do some changes in your file, then and then you can change whatever you should have done with the practical of notepad in your file. So thankful for watching this video. Bye.